Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining our Demo Day webinar series, Imperium 365 Remote Assist, Improve Remote Collaboration and Service Management. My name is Brittany Ogura, and I am a marketing specialist here at Imperium Dynamics, joining you all the way from our downtown offices in Chicago. And with me today is Hamza Khan. Welcome, Hamza.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for that, Brittany. My name is Hamza Khan, and I'm working as a senior software engineer too here at Imperium Dynamics, and I'm joining all the way from our Imperium Karachi office.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Hamza. So, if you are new and joining us here today, we are Imperium Dynamics, a proud Microsoft partner based in downtown Chicago. dedicated to bringing your vision alive within the Microsoft stack. We aim to help organizations of all sizes achieve digital transformation by solving complex problems and delivering long lasting impact through the Microsoft Cloud solutions, with a focus, of course, on increasing both the capabilities of people and the performance of businesses. A few housekeeping items before we get started. The session is being recorded, and after the webinar is over, you can access the recording via our website. So feel free to revisit it or share it with your colleagues. There will be a Q&A session at the end, so please feel free to submit your questions throughout the presentation using the Q&A chat feature, and we'll address as many as possible. We'll also be sharing a copy of today's slide deck after the session via our website in the webinar page, so you don't have to worry about taking detailed notes. And here is a quick overview of our agenda where we will be discussing challenges and gaps without a unified platform, Imperium 365 Remote Assist solution features, along with a live demo and finishing off with a Q&A. With that said, let's get started. So, if you find yourself working in an ununified ecosystem and everything is just more challenging than it is supposed to be, then you might be experiencing gaps like siloed applications. By using separate platforms for all of your different teams, it is creating a lot of inefficiencies and fragmented workflows within your companies, or a lack of centralized case management. So without Dynamics integrated tools, managing cases across all departments can become disjointed, leading to delays in issue resolution and even manual communication processes. So teams must manually send updates, meeting invites, and notifications, which slows down response times and increases errors. And some current challenges may include ineffective collaboration tools. So currently, the basic remote tool lacks real-time visual guidance and mixed reality capabilities, reducing the effectiveness of remote support, as well as missed automation opportunities. So not having a built-in automation for repetitive tasks like logging case updates or session links can increase administrative burdens and disconnected team environments. Now, how does this negatively impact your business? It not only reduces efficiency, but however, and it results in a higher cost and improves inconsistent customer experience. So the lack of real-time updates and visual troubleshooting tools may frustrate customers and hurt retention. It also produces limited scalability as well as underutilizing your tools. So the potential of Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Remote Assist is under leverage, or you might not know how to use it and scale it to the best of its tech ability, leading to missed opportunities for innovation and service improvement. And it overall just provides wasted time and wasted resources. With that said, Hamza will now showcase our Imperium 365 Remote Assist solution that can take all your current gaps and challenges and seamlessly unify them within your Dynamics 365 platform. Take it away, Hamza.
Thank you so much, Brittany, for that brief introduction about Imperium 365 Remote Assist. Now, before we deep dive into the demo, there are like few points that I would like to share over here. Is that I would like to share with our audience that what sort of solution they're stepping into and what sort of things they can expect from the solution. So first and foremost, with the functionality and the powerful feature that Microsoft Dynamics customer service provides us, we have a seamless management of cases and a faster resolution. And secondly, we also have customized session details, and those sessions can be shared with the end user via their phone or on email as well. And the third one that we have is that we can record the meetings and attach those meetings with the respective cases in order for someone to review it after the meeting has occurred. Apart from that, the remote assist session also provides the notifications via emails and automated SMS, and the troubleshooting in real time with mixed reality support on Android or iOS devices. Now, this is one of the most like there are many important points, but this is one of the most important point as well, that we are not dependent on some sort of nature of devices, right? It is compatible with both Android standard devices and iOS standard devices. So I believe if we are good to go with this, then let's dive into the demo.
Awesome. Great. Thank you.
Let me just share my screen. Okay, there you go. Thank you. So, as we all are pretty much aware of how a Microsoft Dynamics 365 solution would look like, now over here, the view that you're seeing, these are the active cases that I'm currently working on, and I'll be opening up this case. Now, as you can see that there is a bunch of information that is already present on my case form. Now, this is the customer that I am working for, that is dealing telecom, and this is our activity timeline card in which all the activity that has conducted for this case will be mentioned over here. Now, me as a case manager, I can also see the recent cases that are being solved, so it would help me in getting to the solution in a very much faster way. That is one of another powerful feature that the customer service offers up. So one can ask that how we would be using remote assist. Now basically remote assist is an activity and how you can create that activity by clicking over here on a plus icon, and as you can see, this is where you will be clicking, that is remote assist session. Now once the session remote assist session is opened up, there is a bunch of information again that is already populated onto the form. So in order to explain this in a much more granular way, let's just assume an example where I am the IT expert, and over here, Brock, he is the guy who is on field right now, right? So I've all the details for Brock already populated up over here. As I mentioned earlier, that Remote Assist offers you sending notifications via SMS and email as well, right? So in case if you haven't checked your email, you can always see your. So over here, our email and mobile phone number is already populated, and how we will be generating a remote assist meeting link. Over here, we have a button in our ribbon. Once you click this button, a remote assist meeting link will be generated, and it will populate in the textual field. And once you press the sending button, it would send the link to Brock via email and via SMS as well. Now, in this case, I've already generated one. Now, Brittany, there is one thing that I would like to highlight over here, that this remote assist meeting, this is not your ordinary Teams meeting link that we usually see in our daily lives. In this call, we have the functionality to point out things, to utilize the power of augmented reality in order to highlight things, or the end user, for example over here, that's me, I can do some doodle during a Teams call, right? This is something that is actually powerful, which remote assist session provides. Now as you can see, the Teams meeting link is already generated over here. And now, another thing that I would like to highlight over here that Brittany mentioned earlier is that we also give you the ability to customize the meeting time as well. For example, in this case, the meeting has been set for 30 minutes. Now, once Brock has received the remote assist session link on his mobile phone or on his email, he will be able to access that. And once the meeting is conducted, that meeting is automatically recorded and attached towards your activity. Now, in this scenario, as you can see over here, that the recording link field is already populated because the meeting between me and Brock has already been conducted. Now, one of the interesting things that I would like to show is what sort of meeting was conducted between me and Brock. So, as you can see over here, this is a Rubik's Cube. Now, let's just consider a scenario in which Brock is stuck in something and I am guiding him from somewhere in some country across the world. For me, it would be very much difficult to fly over to Brock and help him. But with the abilities that Imperium Remote Assist 365 provides us, I'm able to help Brock in solving the solution as soon as possible. I'll be playing a video, and as you can see, Okay, it's the same video. Now, as you can see that I'm able to enter multiple arrows in it. I can do a doodle on it. Now, this is a very strong point within Remote Assist 365 that it actually helps us to incorporate augmented reality within our Teams call so that we can access and have more functionality out of the product. Now, over here you can also add text, you can also remove these doodlings, you can also change color. It's like, let's just consider this as a blank canvas within Teams where the expert can guide the end user who is actually facing the problem or who is a technician who is within the field. Now, this meeting was conducted, it was just recorded, stored, and attached to my meeting link, and I was happily able to solve this case with the help of Remote Assist 365. Now, for example, after some time, approximately 6 months after solving this case, the similar thing comes up, and with the help of feature that our meeting are being recorded and attached to one specific case, I am successfully able to review the video again and get some points which would help me, solve the current case that I'm currently working on. Now, this is the in-depth view of Remote Assist 365. I have one more example, Brittany, in order to, explain it in a much more granular way for our audience over here. Like, let's just consider y- on a weekend you are craving for some sort of pizza. Now, would you prefer to go to multiple shops and buy ingredients for your pizza, or would you prefer to go to a one-stop shop and you would get all the ingredients from there?
Definitely the one-stop shop.
Exactly. So over here, our Remote Assist 365 is a one-stop shop for catering all your customer cases and everything that we have explained earlier. So I believe, Brittany, that is the demo for Remote Assist 365.
Amazing, thank you. I'll be resharing my screen. Thank you, Hamza, for that very detailed demo. I think it's very important to note that as companies transition from an in person working environment to a remote working environment, now more than ever, it is just very, very hard to one, connect with your colleagues, but to solve problems that have to do with hands on. So I think that Imperium 365 Remote Assist is just a great way to eliminate those problems and not only work with your colleagues better, but seamlessly and more effective. So that was really great. Thank you. And here's just a recap of all the features within Imperium 365 Remote Assist that Hamza touched upon. That includes a unified integrated with customer service, sharing real-time view and environment using an Android or an iOS device, as well as customized remote assist sessions, session tracking on case timeline, and the rest. So thank you so much. So now we have got to the Q&A side of our webinar. So please feel free to ask any questions and we can help answer those. Okay, Hamza, one question was, what are the licenses that are required for remote assist?
Yes, there are two licenses that are required for Remote Assist 365. One of them is for customer service, since this is integrated into customer service. And second one is that you need a Microsoft Remote Assist D365 license. That is the license through which we are able to leverage the functionalities that the product provides us. So you need two licenses for this, the customer service license and the Remote Assist license.
Great. And pertaining to the meetings, how long can the meetings be conducted?
Yeah, so we actually can customize the meeting timing as well depending on the resolution that you're working on. If you want the meeting to be for, like, let's just say 5 minutes, you can have that as well. And if you want the meeting to be of like somewhere around more than 40-45 minutes, you can have that as well. So it totally depends on the IT manager or the end use case that you're using it. So it's totally customizable.
Great, thank you. And is it integratable with field service or no?
Yeah, this is integratable with team field service, and this is like another,
Okay.
you can say, a good point of staying within the Microsoft ecosystem and having our products over here is that they are integratable with other CRMs as well.
Great, thank you. I believe that's all the questions we have, but thank you
Thank you.
so much. So, what's the overall benefit when implementing Imperium 365 Remote Assist? Remote Assist provides faster resolution and cost savings, which just means it resolves issues very quickly with remote sessions that eliminate the need for costly site visits, like we mentioned before. It also seamlessly provides remote collaboration. So, by using the mixed reality tools to provide hands on real time support from anywhere, and with that real time communication, by keeping customers and teams updated with automated SMS and email notifications for improved transparency, and it overall will enhance clarity by using the visual annotations like so demonstrated like drawings and arrows to guide on-site teams with clear step-by-step instructions. It provides a seamlessly effective and collaborative space. With that said, thank you so much for joining our Imperium 365 Remote Assist Demo Day webinar. In this webinar, we explored Imperium 365 Remote Assist, a game-changing solution that offers a unified platform that enhances remote collaboration and customer service management on Dynamics 365. By combining case management, real-time notifications, and mixed reality support, this solution empowers businesses to resolve issues faster and more efficiently, reducing the need for on-site visits. By partnering with Imperium Dynamics, you gain access to innovative solutions that address your challenges head on. Thank you so much for joining, everybody, and thank you, Hamza, for that wonderful demo.
Thank you so much.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.